Hello students, in this video you will find Gauss laws. Under given set of condition of pressure, temperature and volumes, the behavior of gas is described by some laws. These laws are called Gauss laws. First I am going to tell you Boyle's law. Robert Boyle in 1662 observed that at constant temperature the volume of a definite mass of a gas decreased by one half of its original volume when pressure was doubled, and volume became 4 times when pressure was decreased by 1/4 of its original pressure. Based on this observation, he gave a law known as Boyle's law of gas, which can be stated as: at constant temperature, the volume of definite mass of a dry gas is inversely proportional to applied pressure. If V is the volume occupied by definite mass of a dry gas at pressure P, then at constant temperature V proportional to 1 by P, or V equal to K by P, where K is proportionality constant, or P into V equal to K. If V1 and V2 are the volumes occupied by definite mass of a dry gas at pressure P1 and P2 respectively, then P1 into V1 equal to P2 into V2 equal to constant. This is called Boyle's law equation and can be stated as: at constant temperature, the product of volume and pressure of definite mass of a dry gas remains constant. This is about Boyle's law. Now next point, graphical representation of Boyle's law or graphical verification of Boyle's law. Boyle's law can be represented by 3 ways. Number 1, on plotting a graph between pressure and volume, a hyperbolic curve in the first quadrant is obtained. This hyperbolic curve represents that volume is inversely proportional to pressure, and pressure volume curve obtained at constant temperature is called isotherm. Second one, on plotting a graph between 1 by V and P, 1 by V along y-axis and P along x-axis, a straight line graph is obtained which passes through the origin. This graph also represents that volume of definite mass of a dry gas at constant temperature is inversely proportional to pressure. Third, on plotting a graph of graph between PV and P, PV along y-axis and P along x-axis, a horizontal straight line plot is obtained which is parallel to the pressure axis. This graph also represents that the product of pressure and volume at constant temperature is constant. The product of volume and pressure of given mass of a dry gas at constant temperature remains constant. On increasing pressure, pressure and volume product does not change. But on increasing temperature, the value of PV changing. This is about graphical representation of Boyle's law. Third point, relation between pressure and density. By using Boyle's law, the relation between pressure and density can be established. Here, Boyle's law represent, what is Boyle's law? At constant temperature, the volume of definite mass of a dry gas is inversely proportional to pressure, V proportional to 1 by P. Then, if V1 and V2 are the volumes occupied by definite mass of a dry gas at pressure P1 and P2 respectively, then P1 V1 equal to P2 V2, or V1 by V2 equal to P2 by P1. This is first equation number 1. Now, if D1 and D2 are the densities of definite mass of a dry gas at pressure P1 and P2 respectively, and volume V1 and V2 respectively, then D1 equal to m by V1 and D2 equal to m by V2, or we can say V1 equal to m by D and V2 equal to V1 equal to m by D1 and V2 equal to m by D2. Here mass is constant. On substituting V1 and V2 in equation 1, here what is that value then coming? V1 equal to, there is m by D1, and when this V1 value is put up there and V2 value is put up, then this relation is shown here, and ultimately we are getting P proportional to D, or D proportional to P, or P by D equal to constant. This is about the relation between pressure and density. Now, next point is there about Boyle's law and the density of gas. Boyle's law I told you, and relation between pressure and density also I told you. Then it can be stated as the density of definite mass of a dry gas is directly proportional to applied pressure. That is about Boyle's law, relation between pressure and density. That's all for today. Thank you.